On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a high quality traffic source that you can use to promote high paying CPA offers so that you can make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, I'm going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. So you can select any offer that you want and then promote it. But before you select an offer, you have to consider the country where you have a traffic source. As you can see, all these offers, they are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. So you have to get a traffic source in the United Kingdom before you select any of these offers to promote. Apart from the traffic source, you have to also consider the requirement. You can see this offer right here. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their email and zip code. Once they enter their email and zip code, they can stand the chance of getting the latest Opera GX browser. Once they enter their details to get access to the offer, you are going to be paid $1.92. You can see they have to take the action on desktop. Apart from that, you can see the next one. It is allowed on Apple iOS. The requirement is the same, email and zip submit. You can see it. You can see the next one is credit card submit. So you have to select the offer that is easy for your potential visitors to enter their details for you to make money. When you compare credit card submit and email submit, you can see that email submit is very easy for your potential visitors to enter their details for you to make money than credit card submit. Most of the people don't want to enter their credit card details online because of scams. So when you are promoting credit card submit, it might be difficult for you to get people to enter their details for you to make the money. So I always advise that you should promote email and zip submit or pin submit. Any of those offers, you can select them to promote. You can see they also have mobile installs. So an offer like this, your potential visitors are required to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to select any of these offers that you want and then promote them once you know the requirements. But when you look at all these offers, the payout is very low. You can see $2.22, $3.42, $2.22. These payouts are very low, so you can change the country and then find offers to promote. To change the country, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any country that you want and then get the available offers in that country so that you can promote them to earn money anytime your potential visitors take a specific action. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in Switzerland. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here, Switzerland. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote. You can see the offers that are available in Switzerland. Most of them have higher payout. You can see this one, for example, the payout is $10.78. You can see the next one is $16.42, $20.53, and the rest. So we can select any of these offers and then promote. But when you look at the offers title, the language is in German. So what you have to do is that you have to translate them to English so that you can find the best offer that you want to promote. To translate the language, what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click, you can see translate to English. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see everything has been translated to English. You cannot understand what the offers are about. You can see this one, for example, is access the best content. It's a gaming offer and you can see the payout is $20.53. The requirement is pin submit and your potential visitors are required to use an Android device so that they can perform the action for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So select any of them that you want and then promote it so that you can be making money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Play the best games. This is a game, and what our potential visitors are required to do is that They have to submit a pin. Once they submit the pin, they can get access to games, and we are going to be paid $20.53. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit a pin code. Now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, click on the offer. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the description of the offer. You can see the title. If you want to select a tracking domain, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see different tracking domains that you can select. Apart from that, you can see this is your affiliate link. You have to get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $20.53. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to this link. You can use the free traffic source, or you can use the paid traffic source. Any of them that you want, you can use. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free quality traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money without investing anything. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is globalfreeclassifiedars.com. That is the website that we are going to be using today to drive traffic to our affiliate link. This website is a free website that you can post your affiliate link, and the best part is that they are available in many countries. So any country that you want to target, you can select it and then post your ad. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select to post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that we have to create an account so that we can post our ad onto the platform. To create an account, come right here, click on register. Once you click on it, you can be able to create a free account. In this case, I have my account, so I'm going to log in so that I'll show you step by step on how to run ads on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to change the location to where you are targeting. So just click right here, change location. Once you click on it, you have to search for Switzerland. So scroll down, just scroll down to the button so that you can get Switzerland. Just scroll down to the button, you can see Switzerland. Click on it so that you can post your ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on post an ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select a category that you want to post your ad. So select buy and sell. Once you select buy and sell, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select the subcategory. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see toys, games, and models. You can select that, or if you want, you can select video games. The offer that we are promoting is a game, so you can select any of them. In this case, I'm going to select toys, games, and models. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter your ad title. To get a title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy the description of the offer, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see asking price. You have to leave it at 00 because we are not selling it. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see phone number. If you want, you can enter a phone number right here. You can see location, address. If you want, you can enter that. Apart from that, you can see country. You have to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down to the button and select Switzerland. So scroll down to the button. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see Switzerland. Select that. Once that is done, if you want, you can enter an area code. But in this case, we don't have an area code, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see add region. You can add a region in Switzerland. But in this case, we are not going to add any region. Once that is done, you can see your website URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. To copy your affiliate link, you have to come back on CPA group and then click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the condition. It is new, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see brand. Just leave everything. Once that is done, click on next step. Once you click on next step, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to upload images of the offer. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, right click, select save image as. Once you click on it, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you download the image, click on select files. Once that is done, select your image, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. You can upload as many images that you want. Once that is done, if you have a video URL, you can paste it right here, but in this case, you don't have one, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see everything is free. You can see everything is free. You are not required to pay for anything. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publishing. Once you click on it, your ad has been posted. You can see your listing has been received successfully. Thanks. Your ad has been posted to the website, and you are going to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. So make sure you keep on posting different ads onto this website. It is free. You can post as many ads as you want onto this website so that you can be earning money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.